Welcome to September's Market Update. Lee, your trusted real estate agent, thought you'd find this information helpful and is ready to answer any questions about the local market. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of August. The number of active listings was up 3% from 1 year earlier and down 12% from the previous month. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just over $370,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days units spent on the market before being sold was up 86%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just over $300,000. The number of units sold decreased 9% year over year and decreased 1% month over month. Fewer sales could indicate an opportunity for buyers to negotiate better terms. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful as you gather more information to make smart, informed real estate decisions. If you'd like more information or assistance, please click the button on the screen.